Woo!
Oh, he's got to go under your boat. He's under your boat. I'm going to cut your fucking anchor.
He might be. Is he under the anchor line?
Oh, yeah, that's on the anchor.
They're like, where the fuck is the line at?
Oh, he's still going.
Yeah, dude.
I got lots of lines,
Keep them running.
Big man, honey. I'm still here. I just can't hear you that well. He's driving. Can we drive home?
Uh-oh. Fuck.
I don't got a boat no more.
Nope, I got a fucking fishing line. Go ahead, reel it in.
Right there. You're on my fish.
What you guys eat tonight for dinner, man? What you guys eating for dinner, honey?
Good? Thanks, brother.
Go ahead.
Yeah, what a clusterfuck. Are you fucking kidding?
I swear to God.
Holy shit.
And I called him out. He said, oh, sorry, my mistake. Confusion.
Yeah, you're about to get confusion, brother. That's how people die.
So, thankfully, they didn't touch it again. But
Yeah.
I was just like, you know, what the hell? How'd the king...
I'm an offshore fisherman, dude. You get fucked up for that stuff.
I was like, man. And then I like pulled a king off, and it was still alive, so I let it go. Put my son's coho on, and then I got to looking. Well, hell, my stringer's half of what it used to be. It's only like 2 foot long. Yeah, I was surprised as shit. I got down there because I didn't believe Landon. He said, there's no coho on a stringer. I was like, let me come down. And I go down, I was like, damn it.
Dude, people suck. People suck. You know, you come out here, you think you're just going to be around people like yourself, you know, like-minded people, and then you get these fucking yahoos.
What?
Said somebody fucking jacked one of his fish earlier, cut his fucking stringer in half.
Really?
Fucking Russian guy.
And my son went down to cut his coho and said, Dad, there's no fish with a coho, no stringer. Let me come look. So I went down. Sure enough, there was a king on it. They took my coho and put a king on it. And then when I went to look at it, it was actually cut in half.
Really?
Stringer, yeah. So, looked up the stringer. Yeah, like I think it was the Russian guys in the chair.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I said, did you touch my stringer? And he looked at me and said, oh yeah, my mistake, confusion. He don't speak a lot of English. And I said, don't touch my stringer again. All right, I'm sorry, confused. I just was like, I let the king go. It's still alive. We got a bunch of kings yesterday. Now we're trying to get some coho.
Right? Yeah.
But I was surprised, like, what the fuck? There is a king on my boat.
So they took a fish off and put a fish on.
Yeah. Took my coho off and put a king on it.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. I seen some Indians the other night. They took off over the back with a coho.
No, they caught that fish, bro. They caught it with a rope in his mouth.
All kinds, man. No.
They're just like 10 yards beyond where I'm fucking floating.
I can see shit now. They must be right in that shadow mark.
They are right in the shadow mark. What'd you push my fishing rod down for, dude? Fucking rude. I wouldn't do that to yours.
You know, see him fucking chasing after this lure. I got him fucking straight up now,
Look at him go. You got one.
I did.
What are you thinking for dinner tonight?
Oh, I don't know. What do you want?
I don't fucking know.
You don't know?
What do you want? That's why I asked you first, dick.
Well, I can't do another tater
Could do pizza or something simple.
What's that?
So we could do pizza or something, unless you want to cook something.
Oh, I got shit. We
Hmm?
could do burgers.
That's fine.
Oh my god, my eyes are bad. Go ahead, reel up.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Bacon, mushroom, fucking onion burgers.
Fucking sounds good. Where's the liquor store at? I'm so okay. We gotta get heat too.
Yeah.
We can't forget that.
Yeah. We gotta come back here to get that.
We're gonna be a really cold night.
Yeah, we can do that.
You wanna go do that?
Yeah, we're gonna pass right through town. If you want to stop, we can stop at the liquor store first.
Yeah, check and see if I want to see if they have that Happy Dad shit.
Do that and then load up the
And we'll
propane.
set the world on fire in the morning.
Yeah.
Again.
You got everything?
I got everything. That's why I took my drone back already.
Yep.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck, guys. Have a good night.
Yeah, the car.
You hooked on the bottom. Have a good night, guys.
Yeah, they're using like 8-foot poles.
Yeah, I didn't see shit over here.
You can down on the dock and toss lures here, like up that low.
Oh, yeah.
That's where they're going to be right now. Toss the lures. Yeah, I'd like
It was a good fucking day.
I had 4 or 5 good follows with the lure, and I'm like, oh man,
Just waiting for him to hammer it.
I know, just fucking wait. All they did was just fall real slow right behind us. Motherfuckers.
Water's still probably a little too warm for him, maybe.
It's just too warm. Too fucking warm. Cold nights are pushing them up.
Fucking day. That was awesome. That was so much fun. Trying to video, get some good shots of him. Land that fish, bitch. Get it. Well, bam. How did you miss that? Oh. She's gonna go swimming, bro. She's gonna go swimming. Net the fucking thing already. There you go, kid. Good fish.
Oh, we're coming in all screwy.
There you go.
Would you be so kind as to take a picture for me?
All right, Maddie, your turn so I can video you.
Okay.
Instead of videoing somebody I don't know. I mean, I'm okay with videoing everything. I just would rather video one of my homie.
Okay. As soon as I try this on.
Oops.
I gotta get rid of them fish today.
These ones,
Yeah. They look old.
yeah, look yummy. Make some fucking fish soup.
I was gonna say we could soup them.
Fish soup.
Fish soup. I like soup. About fish soup, I like soup.
I watched a recipe for fish soup on fucking Facebook or some shit like that. Dude, it looked so fucking good.
I know she's not as big as yours, but we're gonna weigh her anyway.
Fuck yeah, I'd wear her. Look at the fucking teeth in that bitch. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have been sticking my thumb in them, huh?
Up through ain't bad. You don't want to go down.
I had it around through the corner.
Yeah,
But they're fucking, it didn't hurt. I ain't scared.
That's how you get syphilis.
Gonorrhea.
$15.6.
15.6 evens where it settled at there. It's a good fish.
I know that one ain't much. Nice. Not as big as yours.
Stiff as a board, light as a feather.
A little bath before we clean them up. It's a boy fish.
Cut his wiener off.
I can cut his wiener off. You want it? Oh, it is not a boy fish.
Oh, maybe it's. I mean, it doesn't have a hooked jaw.
It's a small mouth, but I'm pretty sure it was a boy fish.
That's not a boy fish.
It's not a boy fish.
More keen for you.
Sweet.
You go get some different shoes.
Oh. Fish babies.
Fish head, roly poly, fish head, eat them up, yum.
Is that a brand new song you just made up?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Why is there so many flies over here? Another girl fish.
Are you sure this time?
Oh yeah, for sure on this one.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll get these out first. We'll get these out first. Gotta clean the patty. Can't have dirty hands. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yep, she's not skiing. What do you need? Bucket?
Bag right here, right here. Or that tote right there. Grab that tote. Is it good and clean? Rinse that son of a bitch out. Holy fuck. Loosey goosey.
Wasn't expecting that, eh?
No.
She's rinsed.
Yep, just put it right there. Not expecting loose eggs.
I mean, looking at her color, I might change my mind. Could have cut it down here. Give it a break.
Take your hands inside. Mine are too dirty. Yep, just inside. And then you gotta get under the other membrane. Ones that are attached to the membrane, I don't care about. Yep. Liquid gold. Go, 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 fee, fee, ba, ba.
Go, 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 fee, ba, ba.
Yeah, she just started dropping.
Now these ones might have a little fucking thing. No, they gotta be fucking fertilized, don't they?
Yeah, they definitely gotta be fertilized. I mean, you can take them out back and do what you want, but
I think that's about all she's wrote.
perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Wasn't expecting that, bud.
Go, 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 fee, ba, 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 ba,
I'll take it when I can get it. That's for damn sure.
Just like pussy.
Fuck yeah, take it when you can get it. Meat's like walleye.
Look how white it is. That's crazy.
Fucking Amish don't care. They don't care. Jeb just throws it in a pot and fucking eats it.
Wild.
Fuck, I'd have noticed she's like that. I probably got her to eat a jig instead of a fly. Didn't you?
At least she wasn't already deflated.
Yeah, right.
That would have been disappointing, huh?
I cannot.
You would have knew that though.
Oh yeah, I would have.
Left to go.
Yeah, she'd have been on
See
her
you later.
way.
Go ahead and die.
She'd been on her way.
Not worth the $5 from the fuck around though.
Right? Yeah, at that point you feel bad.
I mean, if you think about it, you're getting $5 just to clean fish, bro.
Yeah.
So you're bitching about these guys getting $4. You're getting $5.
I am.
At least those guys get to keep their fish.
Right? I get to keep these too, but I don't want them.
Let me drag this out back.
Do you know where the fish pit is?
Don't know for sure, but I'll get it away from here and get the flies out of here.
Yeah, it's not hard to find. Just go out there. You'll see where there's a...
To the back to the right?
Right by the... There's a... It's on the right-hand side of the dump. There should be a... Well, there was a shovel sticking up in the air, but I don't think it's there now. You find it?
Yes, sir.
I'll take some lime over later and put on it.
Drip, drip, drip. I don't think I needed to label this one.
What's that?
I said I don't think I needed to label this one.
Probably not.
It looks nasty.
$5. I got this one clean then. Perfect. Snake skin. not believe that fucking fish was loose. Right?
These are salmon eggs, right?
Yes, sir.
And that's salmon skein.
Yep.
Because they're still attached. Little educational video for that ass bitch.
Education.
Fish hanging station here. Quick walk around. Drift boats covered. Lake boat. Pavilion. And the lodge. My parking lot. And it's got a shed here. The freezer. Laundry mat. Tools. Oh wow, this new GoPro does a lot better in the dark. Holy shit. Got our fish so far. Thank you for that.
Dude, I didn't have time to get the first one out.
Yeah.
Scoop the second one in there too.
No, we didn't bring a net today.
I'll send you the picture of it. You're gonna laugh.
Pop it up and let him go.
Yes, sir. In the face.
Got it?
Yep.
No picture?
Nope, I got it on video.
Did you?
Yeah, it's videoing right now in front of you.
Nice. That way. That way.
See ya.
I can't tell if I'm recording or not.
You are?
Awesome. Good job.
Good job, buddy. That was fun. Thanks, man. Fun stuff, fun stuff.
I'll send you the picture in a minute. You're gonna laugh.
Here we go, Salmon River. This guy's got a nice one. Woo!
Yep.
PB fishing.
They're fucking good. There's a lot of fishing here this morning.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hold that up.
Yep. I sure am.
I like
Good.
these dudes around me.
All right, buddy.
Good job, you guys. Yeah, look at that.
All right, I gotta get to work. All right, bye. What'd you guys think of that?